Out here, I was supposed to go with my quarterback. My quarterback couldn't make it. Literally 10 minutes ago, he told me that stuff. So I'm gonna start out here. So that parachute, my son came over here. My son and my girl. And then they're playing right there. Eagle claw. Get her. Get her, Sean. Oh, now we get who? We get mommy? Yeah. All right, let's get mommy. Oh, good job. Good job, buddy. Don't let her get you. Run to me. Run to me. Keep going. Eagle claw. Eagle claw. Run fast. Run fast. Go, go, go. I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him. I'm going to get you now. Run. Keep running. Run. Run. There you go. Go. Jump, run, good, good man. All right. We're gonna see if you get some right.
No, we play a game.
What number? No, get out of here. What number? All right, ready? What number is this?
Upper one. What that game?
1. Good. All right, ready? What number is this?
3.
Good. What about that?
5.
That's good. Okay. Okay. What about this? Wait. This.
2.
All right, last one. Last one. What about this one?
4.
Good, man. Awesome.
Take.
Tag.
Take it.
Oh, all right. Move your arms. No. That eraser, earn more.
Take it.
Well, move your arms because I'm running fast. Yeah. No skipping, running. Okay. All right, well.
Go back here.
Well, I did it.
Yeah.
That's the basement. Yeah. That's the basement, man. I know. Because those windows, you can't really see through them. You can really see out of them, too. Oh. Can't.
Take.
No, we played tag already. Like 3 times.
Take your
No way.
Yeah, B.
No, that's a leaf.
What are we going to get out?
It's a leaf, man. Investigating the leaf. It's windy out there. Play ball and quarterback. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you for that present of Leafs. Gotta get these stretches in. Gotta get these stretches in. What? Yeah!